Welcome back to my channel. Now today we'll be talking about 5 useful websites that you should know. Now the first one is called Wetransfer.com. Now this website allows you to send up to 20 gig of files. So the first thing you have to do is just to visit the website, then you type the to email, the recipient's email, and then from that should be obviously your email address. So this is where you type your email address. Now after you do that, the next thing is to look for a name for the label, right? So you just label it anything at all, and it's more or less like a subject. So you type it there, and then the last but not the least is you type in a message that should go with whatever files you're sending. Now after you've typed that, know that once you send this document, the recipient has 7 days to actually download it. So the next is to add files. So we're just going to go to the desktop and drag and drop. This website is supposed to drag and drop, so you just drag and drop the file here. Once it's attached, you click on transfer. Now immediately you click on transfer, an email will be sent to you, the sender's email, with a code. So you just visit your email, you type the code in there, and then you just type it there. So once you type and it's correct, and you click on submit, authentication is done, and if it's correct, it starts to send these files. So it would send it within some few minutes. It's sent, and this is the message you get, and then you're good to go. So that's the first website that I think everyone should know. The second website we'll be talking about is for converting document files to PDF and vice versa, and the website is called doc to PDF. So again, we go to our desktop, we drag and drop. Almost all the websites suppose drag and drop, so we just drag and drop them here. It takes some few minutes to upload, and once the upload is done, usually you do get a confirmation that it's done, and then you're able to download your file. So let's give it some few seconds to finish. So immediately it's done. That should be in some few minutes. So once it's done, it tells you your file is ready. Then you click on download file. So it's not just document to PDF, but you can do a vice versa of it. So that's my second website. So once you're done, you download it, and you're good to go. Okay. Now the next website is for people who like to download from YouTube, and this is a very nice platform that you can use to download YouTube videos. So the site is called savefrom.net. So you just visit the website, and the next thing for you to do is to just go to YouTube, and yes, so you visit YouTube, and then you look for the video that you would want to download. In this case, you're just going to click on this video, then select the link from the address bar. So once you click to play the video, just go to the address bar, and then you copy the link. Then you can choose to pause it or even close the window. Then you come back to the page, then you paste the link here. Then you give it some few minutes or seconds to extract the video from YouTube. So once it does that, the next thing is for you to get the download button. And the nice thing is it gives you different formats of the video you can download. So you can see by default is 720 here. I can choose any version I would want to download. So once I'm cool, just click on download, and I just click on save. So I have my video successfully downloaded onto my computer, and I can use this video anytime I want. So this will be good for students who would want to be downloading YouTube video tutorials like this one, and then maybe use it later on. So this is for you. Now the next website is usually for designers, but it could be used by anyone, and it's called remove.bg. Now this website actually takes a picture and then removes the background. You don't need to have any Photoshop skills. All you need to do is to use this website to do that. So as you saw, I dragged the picture with the background, and just place it there, drag and drop again, Then the website will do the magic, will detect, then remove the background, and as you can see, it has removed it. And there's a nice convenient download button that you can just click and download, and once it's done downloading, you can preview to see how it looks now. And trust me, it does a better job than some professionals in Photoshop. So this will be one of the best tools that you should know actually if you need it to work with it or anything. Yeah, so the next website is probably not legal, so I advise you use your VPN to do it. It's called soaptoday.tu. Now this website is for streaming new movies, right? So if you're the type that's maybe can't afford Netflix, this website is for you. You can use it to stream free movies online, but always make sure that you have your VPN set up. So download any free VPN software and start it up before you come to this website. And okay, so this is how it works. So once you're just here, just click on any preferred movie. There's also a search button at the top here, or search panel, that you can conveniently type the title of the movie, but usually it gives you most popular movies. So in this case, you would want to watch the Cinderella movie, which is the new one. So all you have to do is to click on it and then wait for it to load down here for you to stream the movie. So give it some few seconds. Immediately it's done loading, click on the play, give it some few seconds also, and then voila, you have your movie and you're good to go. So again, kindly remember to subscribe to this channel and comment any tutorial you would want me to do next. Thank you.